Sean, with your criminal justice background, this is an interesting question from Claire. She wanted to know, is it illegal to set up a nanny cam in her elderly father's room in a nursing home? Claire just wants to be able to check on him when she cannot be there at the nursing home. And the nursing home administrator flat out said, no, you can't do that.
Well, that's also a great question, and one especially that's been in the people's minds lately when they haven't been able to go visit their family member that's in a nursing home because of COVID and the restrictions on who's allowed into the nursing home. In Georgia, it's currently illegal. If you're talking about nanny cam, as in like a secret or clandestine type recording, that would be illegal. If it was done with the knowledge of the hospital or the nursing home, then it would be perfectly fine, but they would have to give that permission. It's a private facility that you're renting space in. And if they have a rule that they don't allow that, you have to abide by those rules or find a different facility that would allow that type of thing. There's currently a House bill that's pending, and it's been introduced the past 2 or 3 years, that would make it legal for family members to put cameras in their nursing home relatives' rooms, but it just doesn't get any traction any year.
Well, they do it with body cams in the police, so it might be an interesting step that'll come to fruition down the road.